What's up, Milli fam? This is Yuki for another video about Milli. Today's Sunday, we have a lot to cover, but I'm gonna try and make it short. So if you don't know what Milli is, please check my previous videos. I'll put a link in the description. And if you head over to my YouTube channel, you'll find a complete tutorial on how to buy and trade Milli on Say. I also recommend you visit the website milli.dog to find all the information you need about Milli. So let's get into it. We'll start with the Twitter as usual. And for me, the big news today is the massive increase in followers overnight. We've gained about 2,000 followers, which is huge when usually we only increase by 200 overnight. We're still below 10K, which means we're still very early, but the numbers are growing very fast. As usual, the Twitter is full of memes, with Bong taking over Shiba and Milli overtaking Bong. We can also find a nice giveaway from the Rabbit project, and they will be giving away a total of 10 million Millis to 3 lucky winners. And most important, we can see that the team has posted a mark your calendars without telling us anything that will happen on March 22. But if we head over to the Discord, we can see that the 22nd of March marks the end of the engagement contest. The meme contest has already ended, and the team has said in the chat that winners for the meme contest will be announced on the 22nd. So stay tuned, I'll let you know as soon as I know anything about this big news the team is teasing us with. Now let's head over to the crypto market, where everything is pretty much in the red. Bitcoin went down to 65K and is looking for support before its next leg up. Say took a hit as well, with a 17% drop overnight, back down to 87 cents. And that brings us to why I was so wrong about my prediction yesterday. As you can see, instead of staying above previous all-time high, the price went down following 3 or 4 massive sells of about 500 million millis, which crashed the price all the way down to our previous support right here. Overnight, it already bounced back and is now sitting above 0.00002. So we're still going up, entering a new triangle, which base is higher than the previous, just not as fast as I expected. And from now on, I'll try to be more cautious on my prediction on Fridays, as it seems that people love to dump on Saturdays. Just like they did last week, the same thing is repeating this week. So that's it for my prediction. I think we're going to stay within this triangle for the next few days, until finally breaking up on our way to 10 million market cap. And that's it for the video. Remember that nothing I say is financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. Cheers!